pleased to show you the 2020 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.